Right, here we go. It's not quite a lap bar because you've got the new style Vekoma vests on it as well. Again, sorry if there's any wind noise. The operations of this park are amazing. We literally, as soon as we sat down, they sent it off. Beautiful views. And one thing I did notice with GoPros, as long as it's not a selfie stick, I think you're all right. They haven't said anything so far, so yeah, GoPros and chest harness are allowed. Here we go. There's nothing to hold on to. Oh, it's still a bit rough. Oh, oh, oh. Here we go. Oh, leg chopper. And yeah, my eyes are streaming too. And there you go. Oh. Right, here we go, another front row on Mayan coaster. Just want to point out there's no gates, no netting, nothing to stop you falling over. Nothing. There we go, dispatch. Yeah, normally there'd be like a net or something there. We both noticed that. Nothing. Yeah, me and Tom on the front row. So you had a front row the other day. I might as well do another front row. I did actually want to get the back row, but we know what SLCs are like on the back. Yeah. Plus we had the chance to get the front again. I do like these restraints. I wish Odyssey at Fantasy Island would get these new trains on. Definitely. So it's all SLCs? Yeah, all SLC should have it. Basically a lap bar with a vest again. All the room there for expansion for the RMC coming soon. Here we go. World's best, world's best SLC. Woo! Oh! Huh? Yeah, it is. It's got some force on the front. Woo! Woo! Oh, I wish I had a bonus helix though. Well, plenty of room for a bonus helix there. There we go. What do you think to the front row? It's alright, isn't it? World's best SLC without a bonus helix. And no drop-in floor either, just notice it's just a concrete floor. That was awesome.